What if one YouTube video could become a whole course in seconds? YouTube is full of incredible educational content, but most videos are just isolated pieces of information. You watch them once, and then they're gone. The problem is that a video isn't necessarily a course. There's usually no learning path, no clear objectives, and no structured way to actually study what you've learned. That's where SummarizAI comes in. It's a Google Chrome extension that can transform a YouTube video into a complete AI-generated syllabus. Instead of just watching the video, you can turn its knowledge into a structured learning experience. Let me show you. Open any educational YouTube video, click Study, then select Syllabus, then Generate Syllabus. SummarizAI analyzes the video's content and builds a structured learning path. First, you get an overview explaining what the course is about. Then, it generates the appropriate level and prerequisites. Next, you get clear learning objectives, so you know exactly what you'll learn. And here's where it gets really useful. The video is broken down into structured modules. Each module includes the main concepts, explanations, and practical activities. You can also get key terms that help you understand and remember the most important ideas. So instead of having one long YouTube video, you now have something that actually feels like a mini course. One video can become an entire learning path. You know what to study, you know what you'll learn, and you have a much clearer structure for reviewing the information later. It's like turning YouTube into your own personal course library. If you use YouTube to learn, try turning your next video into a complete course. Install the SummarizAI Google Chrome extension for free using the link in the description.